We started making a flag. I started making a flag before we came to retire in Corpus Christi, Texas. I first started in Livermore, California, just after I retired from the lab. I had made a flag for one of the restaurants that we used to frequent quite a bit. They were good to us, and it was a nice place, so I made that American flag because they're the one that gave me all the corks. So I made that American flag and gave it to them, and then we came out to Corpus Christi. And since I was retired, I had very little to do. They cut grass and stuff in the backyard and take care of the dog. I got back into the flag making, so I started contacting different restaurants, different friends who had corks, and they would save the corks for me, oysters as well as regular corks, wine corks. And then at home, I would start making them.